Hi everyone, I'm Tiago and you're watching Tiago's Tips. Today I want to show you this ultimate light board. Tiago's Tips. So we already got it out. It's right here. Oh, here, I got it. Right here. We don't need this anymore. And it's ready to go. And actually, from the box, I just noticed something. Okay, from the box, you could do this. I just noticed that. So I'll give you like clear frame. Kind of looks like a fish tank if you look it from here. Pretty cool, right? If you could take it from the outside.
I didn't know you could do that.
No, I just noticed it.
Wow.
By the paper.
I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, so, what should I draw first? These are the pens that are included. Blue, pink, or this is like a light red, yellow, white, green, and orange. Those are all the colors we have. We have about 6 colors. There's a couple of light settings. There's on, there's blinking, and there's slow blinking. Now let's get the markers and start drawing. What would you like for me to draw? Let's draw a dinosaur in its environment. It's a little tough to get the markers out sometimes. Okay, there we go. We're starting to take most of them out. Okay, maybe it wasn't so hard. Let's draw a dinosaur. Okay, I draw a picture of dinosaurs. Tree. I'm gonna draw some clouds then. Sun, it looks like that. I drew two dinosaurs and it's raining, but the sun's out. That makes no sense at all. And I drew a tree, one tree, at least. Pretty good. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.